If you want to learn how to use AI to rewrite or reformat press releases quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. This video will show you a simple, powerful way to make press releases more engaging, effective, and tailored to your target audience, all using AI. Stick with me till the end, as I'll also share a tool that'll make this process even easier, and you'll get an exclusive free trial to follow along. We've all been there, trying to get a press release to sound just right, or to make it fit a different format. AI can help take care of the tedious parts and give your writing a fresh perspective. Let's dive in. Start by uploading your original press release into the software. Most AI tools will immediately scan the content, detecting its tone, structure, and key points. This is where the magic begins. AI can rewrite your release with a tone shift or reformat it in a way that's better suited for different media outlets or a specific audience. Once uploaded, choose the style or tone you want. For example, if you need a more formal press release, the AI will adjust the language, grammar, and structure accordingly. If you need something more casual or engaging, AI can rework the same content to suit that too. Next, you can customize the length and structure. If you need a more concise version or a longer, more detailed press release, you can adjust these settings. The AI will rewrite or reformat the content based on your preferences. This is a huge time saver, especially if you have multiple drafts or need versions for different platforms. One powerful feature to look out for in the software we're using is the ability to highlight key points in your press release. Once highlighted, the AI can either emphasize these points further or rewrite the content in a way that flows better. You'll notice that the content still maintains the core message, but it reads more smoothly and professionally. After you've made the necessary adjustments, always run the AI's rewritten version through a grammar and plagiarism checker. Most AI tools have built-in checks, but a second opinion never hurts. This ensures your press release is polished and free of errors before going public. Now here's the kicker. If you want to follow along, I've partnered with a great software that I recommend, and you can get an exclusive free trial. Just click the link in the description below, and you'll be all set to start rewriting and reformatting your press releases with AI. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway from this video is simple. AI can drastically speed up and improve the process of rewriting and reformatting press releases. By using the right software, you can quickly make your press releases more engaging, efficient, and tailored to your needs. Remember, this software can help you rewrite in different tones, adjust the length, and emphasize key points, all with just a few clicks. And before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. Give it a try and see just how easy and effective it can be to rewrite and reformat your press releases using AI.